OK，
你先打打招呼，看我来 Facebook 听见你的声音。
嗨，进来没有？
啊，开播了，我看见画面。老亮了，你说话听着。
Hi everyone, welcome to Wecon channel. Okay. Hi everyone, welcome to Wecon channel. This is Mona from Wecon Sales Department, and today I will bring A500 Series PLC to you guys. And during this stream, I will also promote some games for you to attend to get free A500 Series PLC. So today I will divide it into several parts from okay, so the first I will introduce you what is the platform PLC, and the second is A500 series hardware interface, and third is A500 naming rules, and fourth programming environment and face its application. So let's start it. Actually, I know you may have many questions, so if you have any questions like the technical problems or any others you want to know, you can propose on the chat. I will answer. I will reply you once I check your comment. And if you want to know more details, so welcome to send inquiries or emails to our Wecon account inbox, or you can send the emails to our Wecon official email address, so or WhatsApp message or etc. as long as you like. And then let's start it. So okay, so you can see here the pictures of the background is our Wecon new automation park. It's our new factory. So this year we moved to a new automation park and then improve our production efficiency. And I think in the future we will launch more creative and powerful product to you. So welcome to visit our factory if you are interested in our products. And then we established in 2009 since 2009, and we have go past about 16 years. So in these 16 years, we launched many various creative products. This year, this month, we launched the latest platform A500 series PLC. And then what is the platform PLC? Maybe some guys you have this question. So the platform PLC is just a naming rule. It means separates the CPU's processing power and I/O modules, because the traditional communication like Ethernet and stereo ports are still managed by the main CPU's operation system. And then we created separate these two parts. And then our platform PLC specific peripherals like I/O expansion modules, communication are all processed by the FPGA communication with the CPU. So there are two processing chips. So it can improve the PLC running time or the processing time, the responding time, etc. It make you improve the efficiency in production or handling time. And then that's the runtime of platform PLC, like our online adding Ethernet bus supports 32 Zs per 1 millisecond. So I have to emphasize, or I have to explain about the 1 millisecond. It means from PLC send to the command to 32 32 servers, and the servers give a signal to the PLC. The one cycle is costing 1 millisecond. So it doesn't mean there one common command. About one common command, we only costing about 1 microsecond. So maybe some guys you see about on other PLC, other brands PLC, they use their microsecond as the description, but we use the 1 millisecond. So I had to explain about this the meaning. Then we're going to introduce our Wecon platform PLC. So as you see, we have LX6 series and A500 series PLC. They are different in the outlook. So you can see on the right, our A500 here. Our A500 series PLC has slimmer in the shape and more like the science fiction. Give a sensation like science fiction. Maybe it will more, it will more suitable for the industrial aesthetic. So that's the A500 series. And the left is our LX6V series, 6 series. I believe some guys of you have tested this product before or have maybe seen this shape on the export, etc. Then the second, I will going to introduce you the A500 series hardware interface. Okay, so this time I also take the A500 series PLC on my hand. You can see here, and that's the sample. And you can see on the button of the PLC, here is the switch. It's on or stop switch. You can push it to turn it on or turn it off. And then you can also see the raised part. You can see the raised part. It's like the pull raise. So you only need to pull this part. Then you can install the PLC on the DIN guide freely. So you don't need to use the screwdriver or etc. It will be more easy for you to install. It's the creative design. And then there are 2 Ethernet ports. 2 Ethernet ports here, one for EtherCAT and one for Ethernet. So maybe some guys of you also see other social media or other place, you will see 3 Ethernet ports. And then the 3 Ethernet ports are still under developing. I think in the near future, we will launch these 3 Ethernet ports PLC. But for now, only 2 Ethernet ports are available, one for EtherCAT and one for Ethernet communication. And then the right expansion module is for I/O. And then it's the I/O indicator here, and the function indicator. Function indicator like power, ROM, etc. as a regular PLC. And then that's the power supplied and RS485 communication serial. So we only have DC power supply. Yes, for transistor maybe they make DC type. And then on the right is the I/O expansion module. So you can very easy to install it. You only need to So you only need to pull it, and you can install it freely. So it maybe on the front, I will more easy to handle with it. Yes, like this. Yes, maybe maybe you will think it like the Lego. Okay. So let's the cover or the board to protect these pins. So if you don't need to expand the modules, so maybe you can cover it to protect the pins properly. Okay, so the right expansion modules mainly used for some functional like I/O points or some functions like the analog input or analog output. On the left, you can see here there are also two left expansion modules position. So the left is mainly for communication, like the Ethernet or TF card or RS485 expansion module. Yes. So you can see here, as the presentation shown, is for communication card. So here you can see there is a screwdriver pattern here. So you need to use the screw to open it. Okay. Okay. So that's the two position to install the left expansion modules. Okay, about that's the outlook. Okay, that's the back. Okay, that's the outlook of A500 series PLC. So next, I will going to introduce you some parameters of A500 series PLC. So the first is the complete self-developed by Wecon. So that's why we naming it as a platform PLC. Wecon platform PLC actually. And it's full host A35 CPU. And it's 5M program size and 512M running memories, 4GB storage, expanded TF cards. Okay, so you can see there are asterisk marked here. So it means our TF cards is under developing. So it's not available now, but it will be available in the near future. And then the first is EtherCAT master station, 1 millisecond synchronization period and supports up to 32 EtherCAT aziz. And it's ultra thin blade type expansion module supports up to 32 expansion modules. That's today about the right expansion modules. It supports up to 32 expansion modules. On the right. And it supports 2 expansion cards on PLC host here, 2 on the left. Okay. So that's the outlook and the hardware, some terminals on the PLC host, A500 series host. Okay. Okay, welcome to Wecon live stream. Today I will bring A500 series PLC presentation to you. So if you have any questions, you can propose on the chat. I will check it and answer you in time. If you want to know more details, you also can send inquiries or emails to Wecon social account inbox or social email address, or WhatsApp message, etc. as you like. Then I will introduce. I think we can do some games to relax first. Here, okay. So I'm not sure if you have seen our marketing gaming on our social media. So this month, the deadline is the 10th May. So before 10th May, you can attend this activity or attend this gaming. So okay. So the topic is buy to win. Share A500 post and unlock your prize. So how to participate? The first, earn spins. One public repost of any A500 series post on Wecon social media page are all okay. The more you share, the more you earn. And the second is spin and win. Claim the spin wheel to win your prize. The prize includes A500 series, free A500 series platform PLC, and 15 discount of coupon for A500 series PLC, and the Panda dolls, and the Bluetooth earpods, the Bluetooth speakers, etc. So the most important is how to claim your prize. You need to screenshot your winning result to Wecon unclaimed prize after May 7th. Okay, sorry, the time is wrong. I think it's 2025 will be 40. Yes. Okay, so how to attend this gaming link? Okay, I think maybe I need to invite my colleague Nozi, to send the gaming link on the chat. Okay, here. On the chat, my colleague and my whole colleague who running the Wecon Technology official social media account and sent the link on the chat. So welcome to attend our this gaming. Okay, so okay, here is the gaming link for all of you. But first, maybe you need to forward our A500 series PLC first to your social media, and then you can participate in this gaming. Okay, I think maybe I can show a demo for you. How to copy this link. Okay. Okay, so that's the reverse. That's the present. Okay, I think maybe each of you can, if you are interested in the PLC, maybe each of you can attend or participate in this game, because you don't need to pay anything, but maybe you are lucky enough to get the reverse or the present. We will send this present to you. Okay. Okay, so let's go on. Okay, so let's go on. It's the gaming here. So if you attend this gaming, maybe you can also send the result on the chat, our colleague will contact you once she see the comment. Okay, so let's go on. Okay, it's about the third part. It's the naming A500 series naming rule part. Okay, so maybe I think maybe if you know more about our Wecon naming rules, especially the A500 series naming rules, you can know the function or you can know the basic parameters of this PLC. So you can more be familiar with it. Okay. Okay. So so the first is A5. A5 means A500 series, and the second is the current Ethernet, the number of Ethernet communication ports. 2. We only have 2 here. 1, 2. 2 communication Ethernet ports here, 1 for Ethercat and 1 for Ethernet. And the third is the number of Ethercat exists. The 0 means 0 exists. 1 means 8 exists. 2 means 16 exists. 3 means 32 exists. You can regard as 8 multiples actually. And the first and fifth is for the DIDO of the PLC host here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 DI and 8 DO. And the fifth is the sixth is the N. N means the DO type is the NPN output. N means ampere. P means PNP transistor output. Actually, our PNP transistor output is under developing, so it will be launched in the future. In the near future, if you are interested in this PNP output type, especially maybe you come from European, so you are focused on you take much attention to the PNP output type. So you can send emails or send messages to our Wecon inbox or email address. Once we launch this PNP, we will contact you or send a message to you at the first time. I mean, yes. Okay, the seventh is the D. D means power supply type. D means 24 voltage power supply. As you know, transistor type transistor output mainly use the DC power supply. So that's D. What's the D? The letter D meaning. I think other brands naming words is regular to use the D. Okay. So the next is the A500 series models here, and they are nearly the same, especially in the 1, 2, 3, 4. The first position here is 0, and here is 1, 2, 3. As I mentioned just now, 0 means it don't support Ethercat servers, and 1 means 8 exists Ethercat server, and 2 means 2 means the 16 exists Ethercat server, and 3 means 22 exists Ethercat server. And then here is some parameters here. Maybe we can emphasize it again because maybe some of you just attend this live stream. So we can hold here for a second. It's 4 cores it's 4 cores A35 cores CPU. 8 DI and DO with Ethernet and EtherCAT interface. Supports EtherCAT and remote I/O. Okay, so maybe some of you want to use the remote I/O expansion modules, and then we support this function. We only you only need to use the coupler and then realize the remote I/O function. And then it's 4-channel high-speed input and local 6-channel pulse exist. Here, the 4-channel high-speed input and local 6-channel pulse exist. Okay. And then I will going to introduce you the A500 series I/O module. Okay, sorry, 1 second. That's the I/O module. Actually, for more exactly, is for right expansion module. Here. About the right expansion modules, it supports to I/O. Okay, sorry, is my network communication good? Okay, let's go on about the right expansion modules. For now, we only have the top two AE AE30 minor 1600, the 16-channel DI, and the AE30 minus 0016N, the 16-channel NPM DO modules are available. These two expansion modules are available, and others you can see as following. They are marked with the asterisk, and it means they are under developing, and we will launch in the near future. So, but I think if you are interested in testing the host, I think if you just for test, I think the PLC host is enough. It's more economical, and you can check it in your office. And once we launch the latest expansion modules, and we will send I will send the emails or message to you in time, so you can know the first-hand message. Then, if you are interested in it, or if you want to know more information or know more message about it, you can send the emails or message to our WhatsApp account or social media inbox. Okay. So okay. Sorry, hold on for a second.
你人没
OK. Okay. So let's go on to check our A500 series PLC. Okay, so let's list for right expansion modules here. It's easy to install the expansion modules actually. You only need to pull it up. Push it. And then about the analog input, analog output. Analog input and analog output. I think all about the TC, the temperature modules, or the PT modules are all under development, including the waiting modules. So if you want to know more details, you can send your contact information to us. We will keep you updated if you want to know any new product, new information, new functions, or etc. We will send emails to you. And then let's for left expansion modules. The left here, the AL30 left expansion modules. You can see here for left expansion modules, they are meant for communication, like the Ethernet, and the TF card, or the RTC, and the RS485 serial interface. For now, only Ethernet interface expansion modules are available. In the near future, we will also launch the left two. Okay, so that's the naming rules. That's the naming rules. And then next, I will introduce you the first part about the programming environment. We support LD and ST and SFC programming language. For now, only LD and ST language are available. Actually, we launched this official software on Wiki platform, on Wecon Wiki platform. So if you want to get the beta, PLC added to about the A500 series, you can send the contact information to us. We will send the zip document to you. So it also supports the ST. I think maybe many engineers are used to using ST programming language. For now, our A500 series PLC can support this programming language, so you don't need to train to use the LD. It's more suitable for your programming habit. And then that's the communication protocol. Okay, with the port. For now, Ethercat and Modbus TCP are available. The Ethercat here and the Modbus TCP here are all available. For the PreviNet and the OPC UA and the BANnet and the MQTT and the IEC, some IEC protocol and HJ212 are under developing. As you can see, they are all marked with the asterisk, so they are under developing. And I think maybe you are care about the Profinet and OBC-UA protocol. So they are widely used, and the bandnet are widely used. So yes, we are developing them, and they will be finished in the near future, on the mid 2025. So if you want to know the first-hand information, you can send your contact information to us. Also, you can inbox our Wecon. Okay, so next I will going to introduce the PLC added to. The PLC added to the software function is project mechanism. Multiple download methods like Ethernet, USB, Type-C, U-disk, and pass-through download. So about the U-disk and pass-through download, they are all realized by Wecon IG series. IG series PLC, IG series HMI. So you can regard it as like the IoT function. So it can realize the remote control, a remote access, a remote downloading program or uploading program, etc. So it can also match to used with the Wecon IG series HMI as a match. So in this case, you can more easy or more convenient to manage your system. I mean, you can realize the remote function, and then maybe you don't need to go to the spot to monitor some data, but to use the HMI to check the running status. Okay, so the third is multiple variable definition types and parameters from style variable length array, variable parameters, default parameters, or etc. Okay, all right. And the fourth is supports LAN device searching functions, which can quickly know the PLC device in the current network segment, maneuvering IP settings. And the fifth is multiple debugging methods, device command export, PLC diagnosis, and sampling tracking, etc. And LAN supports most servers and coupler configurations, and supports expansion modules, configuration page, and remote frame download. I think the last one with the red marking is very stable. Okay, with the red marking, it's very convenient for you if you want to upload some firmware. Okay, that's the PLC added to configurations, layout. So it can support expansion module configurations. It supports most servers and coupler configurations, etc. So it means the patterns can be shown on the PLC edit. If you want to add one expansion modules, and then it will also show a pattern, a pattern like the actual expansion modules here. Okay. Then there's the multiple tools like remote upgrade tools and health interface and automatic project backup. That's the help interface about Wecon Wiki platform. I'm not sure if you all know the Wecon Wiki platform. So actually, Wecon developed a very powerful wiki platform for self-learning or self-searching. There are many FAQ layer and software download zip pack in here. So if you don't know, you can leave the message here or send an email or message to Wecon account, and we will show you the link. Even though maybe you don't have the PLC, the real PLC on hand, but you can check the wiki platform to download the software, to check the layout, or check the function, or check the programming language if it can use to your habit, be more familiar with it before you buy the PLC. So maybe you can maybe you can more familiar with Wecon products, and then once you receive the PLC on hand, you can start to test. It may be saving a lot of your time. Okay. So the last is the application. So the A500 series, because it supports EtherCAT protocol, it supports the servers, so it can be used in various high-speed motion controlled applications like CNC machine, packing machinery, warehousing, smart manufacturing, the tactile machinery, and automatic manufacturing, like the production in the factory or some integrated project or etc. So it's widely used actually. If you don't want to use the assist, maybe some of you think the assist is not required, unless you can choose the A520 latest model. There are no assist, EtherCAT assist supported, so maybe it will save your cost to use the EtherCAT protocol. Okay, so that's the application. So that's the application of A500 series. And then I think maybe, okay. So here is the contact information of mine, of Mona, my WhatsApp and email address, and the company website. Okay, so actually, as you know, we value each of you. So even maybe some new customers is afraid to test a new Chinese brand automation materials, or maybe he has not used Wecon products before. Maybe he be afraid to wasting money. So for this situation, so we launched many marketing promotion activities like the gaming. So if you want to test Wecon new products, if you want to use or familiar with Wecon products, maybe all of you can participate in these activities to win your prize. So I have to emphasize it again about the promotion or the marketing activities this month. It's free to win. It can show you A500 series posts, unlock your prize. And how to participate? The first is to earn spins one public repost of any A500 series PLC post on Wecon social media page equal with the one spin. And then the more you share, the more you earn. So let's just say if you share like 10 posts, then you have 10 chance to win the prize. So so it also actually about how lucky you are, maybe also equal with how working hard you are. So you can share the post to your social media and to get a chance to spin. And then spin create the spin wheel to win your prize. The prize is including about the first is A500 series PLC, and the second is 50 discount of coupon for A500 series PLC, and the Panda doors, the Chinese classical pattern, and the Bluetooth earpads and Bluetooth speakers. They are all useful. They are all useful in your daily life or your working. And then the most important is how to claim your prize. You need to screenshot your winning result to Wecon unfriend prize after May 7th, 2025 week. That's the gaming from Wecon. So we actually each month or some certain times we will launch the many marketing promotion activities or like including this gaming. So maybe if you don't follow or keep the start marketing with Wecon account, maybe you can put the Wecon account on your marked listing. Sorry, star marked listing. I mean. Okay, so that's the gaming. I also stand there here. I also stand there the gaming link here. So if you guys are interested in this gaming or these activities, you can put this link, visit it, and participate in it. Actually, the chance to win the prize are relatively high. Actually, so we prepared many different prizes to earn. Actually, we set many prize to earn your attention, to earn your following. So we value each customers. We value each Wecon users. So we hope many customers have the chance to use Wecon products instead of the lesson from all the videos, all the introduction, all the presentations from the website only. It's not touchable. I think if you are interested in some electric spare parts like the automation materials, the reliable way is to own it on hand, to test it, to see what the hardware like or what's the quality or etc. It's the I think it's the most reliable way. Okay. If you have any questions, you can send the message or emails to Wecon social media account, the inbox, or you can also send the emails or WhatsApp to me. So especially if you come from the European marketing, you can send inquiries or messages to my WhatsApp or to my email address. Actually, as you all know, many Chinese companies do OEM for famous, maybe famous America or the European brands. So actually, our quality are also good, but the branding is not so high as other America or European brands. But the quality, I believe, they are also good. I think as long as the products can meet the customer's need, it's a good product. Because some famous brands like I cannot propose I cannot mention any brands here. Okay, I like some famous brands. They are powerful. They are powerful indeed. Sure, they are powerful, of course. But some of you or most of you will not use each powerful function of the PLC, of the high value famous PLC. So if you only use the simple or regular function of the PLC, maybe you can choose to alternative solutions from China, from Wecon, to provide you the alternative solutions and to help you saving costs in such economic decrease situation. Yes. So that's the A500 series. The outlook of the A500 series PLC. There are switched here. It's turn on or turn off. Then that's like the pouring. You can pour it to install it in the DIN guide. It's very easy for you to install it. And then the left, okay. So the PLC left, there are two expansion left modules here. It's for expand the communication parts. Okay, I can show you again about the left expansion modules. Here, okay, here they are meant for expanding the communication, like the Ethernet or the serial port, like RS485, the Modbus RTU. Okay, but you need to use the screwdriver. There are also patterned here, screwdriver to tilt it up. And then about the front, there are indicator. Okay, can also show this page presentation to you. Okay, so there are I/O indicator here. Here. And then there's a function indicator here, and the two Ethernet ports, one for Ethercat and one for Ethernet. And the power supplied with the RS485 serial port. And then the PLC right is for expansion modules like the I/O, the analog input, analog output, and the temperature expansion modules or the weighting modules, etc. Okay. Okay, so about the right expansion modules, I need to introduce you again about the right. Like the top two AE30-6 1600 and the AE30-0061N. The two expansion modules are available now, but for others, like the following expansion modules marked with asterisks are all under developing, but they will be finished or they will be launched in the near future. So if you are interested in it, or if you are interested to know the latest Wecon information like the products, the function, or the innovative information, so you can send the contact information to Wecon social media account or leave the comment or message to us. So we will also develop the NPN, the PNP digital output actually. So some customers from European market may are concerned about the PNP output because they are widely used, popular in European market. So we will launch it in the near future, of course. So if you are interested in it, we will send you the first-hand information in time. And then that's the digital analog input, analog output, the DC input, and the PT 100 input. For now, only PT 100 input. Maybe some guys of you want to PT 1000 input. Of course, you can propose all your need. You can spread your inquiries to us. Send the information to us. Then once we have the updated, we will send the updated to you. Updated information. So that's the right expansion modules. It's very easy to install the expansion modules actually like this. You only need to push it. And then we also designed a board here. Design a board to protect these pins. So if you don't need to expand the modules, you can cover it with this board. Also to push the board to install it. Okay. Okay, so that's the main. Actually, let's the main architecture. That's the main role of our the main actor of this live stream. So it's our A500 series. A500 series. Okay, so maybe this all for this live stream. If you guys have any questions or if you want to know any innovative information from Wecon, welcome to send inquiries or send messages or send emails to our Wecon social media account or official email address. Equally, also you can send emails to me. Okay. Thanks for your joining today. See you next time. Bye bye.